Hello, my name is Sanzhar, and this is my final project for a software development case study. My project is called Deadline Telegram bot, and here you can see the code itself. Yeah, so we have like main function, which is used for like running the bot, like handlers for each of the command database, which have every query for the PostgreSQL database, calendar to have for the users to have like possibility to choose like to which date we put the deadline. Of course, the README file, which has like every step for uh, setting up the bot by itself. Reminder, which is used for reminding every 24 hours before the deadline and every 12 hours before the deadline. And the last one is a state to like capture the state of the messages. Yeah. So for example, if we look at the bot itself, yeah. So I already started it, already working. So here we can see the all the commands that was implemented. Yeah. So if we look at my functional requirements and non-functional requirements, so we have like adding deadlines, which is implemented. Grouping was not added because it doesn't like require it in the MVP, so it will be added in future. Bot sending the notification is also implemented. Getting the list of the deadlines is also implemented, and outside of this list, we also I also implemented the update and delete command for editing and deleting like the deadlines. Yeah. For the non-functional requirements, the bot is always available. It is not implemented right now because I still didn't host it, my bot in the VPS. I right now host it in like on my computer, like locally. And the second non-functional requirements is actually implemented uh, because each one of these like chats with bots, for each one of the users, like other users can see like what I'm like doing here, what deadlines I have, like only if I myself don't resend like all of the things that right now here in the chat. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We can like for example add, yes. So let's see, software development case study, yeah. Due to tomorrow, yeah, or, for example, and we can pick a time, or we can skip it and it will be automatically be like all day, like at the end of the day. Let's do it, and here we can see that this added, we can list it. Here we can like have like two different like deadlines. Yeah, we can update it. Like, yeah, for example, we can choose it and we can either change text or change data. Let's change the data. Yeah, let's put it like this. And here we can see that it all changed, all good. Like it has like 4 days. We still have 4 days, and here like it is tomorrow. Also, we can delete it. We can select all or select like one of them and delete it. And also we can list again, and yes, that's it. So if we see the presentation, here we see the repository, yeah, with all the README files, with all the project, and let's start the presentation. So my final presentation for software development case study, we have like 4 points which is need to be addressed. Like the first point is what I built and for whom. And my project is a Telegram bot that collects all the deadlines in one convenient place. You no longer have to like log in into different platforms and go back and forth to check all your deadlines every time and keep them in mind. The bot is primarily like the main users of my bot will be the students of the Astana IT University, yeah, who also like apart from studying they also work, so they have like different areas in life which is needed to be managed. The decision I stand behind and one I would reverse. So most of the architectural decisions for my project was like unchanged, like they still remain in place. Like for example, my decision to make this project like monolithic rather than a microservice, like as it was intended, that was the decision I stand behind. Like my project is like monolithic, have monolithic architecture, and the decision I would reverse, I already did it because, as I mentioned in my assignment 4, originally I decided to for the bot to have like text commands, so you needed to write as a message like the whole command to be to, for example, adding your deadline. And when I started to testing it by myself, I immediately understand that it is very like difficult and unuseful. It's better to have like simple buttons which you can seen before where I showed. So yeah, I reversed like this decision, and yeah, whether the MVP hypothesis held and what evidence supports the judgment. Testing hasn't been done yet because I still didn't uploaded my bot to the VPS to host it. Yeah, so after I do it, I can push my bot to the people for them to use it, and then and only then I can like gather the information, gather the feedback to continue develop my bot. I will do it even after this course because this bot is like at least needed for me, and it will be good if other students from my university will also use it. So right now the bot is running like in the local in my computer. It is tested by me. So I'm currently checking its overall functionality and whether the bot does everything as it intended. During testing, several changes were made made to the bot's logic to improve it. So what will be the next step? As I said earlier, it will be like deployed into the VPS and hosted for so that everyone can use my bot like 24/7. Um, and also I'll be adding all of the features that wasn't added in this MVP.